So exercise, this is miscellaneous exercise of chapter 2, question number first. We need to show that f is a function whereas g is not a function. So f of x is x square where x belongs to x is greater than equal to 0 and lesser than equal to 3, and 3x when x is greater than equal to 3 and lesser than equal to 10. Let's do for this first. So solution, we know that if 0 is lesser than equal to x is lesser than equal to 3, if x belongs to this category, right, so its value f of x will be equal to x square, right? Also 3 is lesser than equal to x is lesser than equal to 10. If x belongs to this panel, so f of x will be equal to 3x, right? So let's check its value. So at x is equal to 3, if x is equal to 3, so at x is equal to 3, what do we have? F of x will be equal to, if x belongs, if we consider 3 from this category, so f of x will be equal to x square. So f of 3 will be equal to 3 square, which is 9, right? Similarly, if we consider this category, so f of 3 will be equal to 3 multiplied 3, which is also 9. So therefore, for x lesser than equal to 10, greater than equal to 0, the images of f of x are unique. F of x image is unique. f of x की एक ही इमेज है केवल, क्या, 9, मतलब x की वैल्यू 3 पे 9 पे जाके इमेज बन रही केवल ही, चाहे कोई सी भी कैटेगरी से हमने 3 को लिया हो, है ना, दोनों में से किसी में से भी. इफ वी कंसिडर g of x, so we know that 0 is lesser than equal to x is lesser than equal to 2, so f of x will be equal to x square, and 2 is greater than equal lesser than equal to x is lesser than equal to this 10, so f of x will be equal to which one, 3x, right? So if we consider this one, so let's take if x is equal to 2, if x is 2, so f of 2 will be equal to how much? So f of 2 will be equal to 2 square, which is 4, whereas if we take 2 from this panel, so f of 2 will be equal to 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6. तो 2 की इमेज अलग अलग आ रही है, देखो इस वाले 2 की तो 4 पे आ रही है, इस वाले 2 की 6 पे आ रही है. तो सिंस इमेज इज डिफरेंट, सो दिस इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. g of x is not a function because element 2 of the domain of the relation g corresponds to two different images, that is 4 and 6. Hence the relation is not a function. This relation is not a function, whereas this is a function. F of x is a function. So this is question number first. I hope it is clear to you. We have checked its value at 2 points, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2, right? So from here we conclude that this is a function because it has single image, whereas this is not a function because it has two different images at x is equal to 2. So this is question number first. Now this is second question. F of x is equal to x square. Find f of 1.1 minus f of 1 upon 1.1 minus 1. So put f x is equal to 1.1 in this. So we know that f 1.1 minus f of 1 upon this 1.1 minus 1, right? So f of x is x square, so 1.1 square minus f of 1 is, put x is equal to 1 in this, so 1 square upon 1.1 minus 1. So this will be what? 1.21 minus 1 upon 0.1. So this is 0.21 upon 0.1, which is 2.1. So answer is 2.1. कुछ नहीं करना, सिंपली x की जगह पे क्या रखना है, यहाँ पे पहले 1.1 रख के वैल्यू निकालो. आप अलग से भी निकाल सकते हो. f of 1.1 is equal to 1.1 square, which is 1.21. f of 1 is 1 square, which is 1. Now substitute these two values into this equation and get the answer. So this is 2.1, our answer. So next question number third. Now in this question we have to find out domain. So f of x is equal to this one, right? So this denominator can be simplified as 2x plus 1 upon this can be written as x minus 6 and x minus 2 if we factorize this denominator. So this can be simply written as x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 12. Now taking this x common, x minus 6, so on simplifying this we will get this one. So this function can be defined at two different values. This function is valid at every value except two values. So x cannot be equal to 6 and x cannot be equal to 2. Why? If x is equal to 6, 6 minus 6 will be 0. So 0 multiplied by any number is 0. So denominator will become 0. So any value divided by 0 is not defined. So in order to remove this condition, x cannot be equal to 6 because this will make it 0, and x cannot be equal to 2 because this will make it 0. So we cannot make new denominator of any number as 0. So domain will be equal to any value. So domain is defined as r minus 2 comma 6. R cannot be 2 or r cannot be 6. Except these two values, it is satisfied. This function is satisfied for all the values. We can take any value of x except 6 and 2. डिनोमिनेटर को जीरो नहीं कर सकते हम. तो डिनोमिनेटर को जीरो नहीं करने के लिए हमको x की वैल्यू ना तो 6 ले सकते हैं ना ही 2 ले सकते हैं. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. So this is question number 3rd. So now we have to find out domain and range of this function. So for domain, if we want to find out, so we all know that x minus 1, right? This x minus 1 should be greater than equal to 0, right? So x minus 1 should be, any value in the root should be greater than equal to 0. So x will always be greater than equal to 1 if we take 1 there. So that means domain of f will be equal to greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1. So 1 and goes up to infinity. So infinity we use open brackets, whereas here we use close brackets because x can also be equal to 1, right? x की वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी तो ये पूरा 0 हो जाएगा. तो 0 तो वैलिड है, बट दिस कैन नॉट बी अ नेगेटिव फंक्शन. रूट के अंदर नेगेटिव वैल्यू कभी हो नहीं सकती, राइट? सो डोमेन ऑफ x इज दिस. नाउ लेट्स फाइंड आउट रेंज. सो वी ऑल नो फॉर रेंज we can see root of x minus 1 means f of x, रूट वैल्यू है तो f of x क्या होगा, हमेशा या तो 0 होगा या 0 से इक्वल होगा, राइट? सो f of x या तो 0 होगा या 0 से इक्वल होगा हमेशा, राइट? सो दिस implies what? Root of x minus 1 will always be greater than equal to 0, right? So this implies what? We can say जो x होगा वो जो हमेशा क्या होगा, x तो हमने देखा कि ये 1 से बड़ा होगा हमेशा, पर f of x, अब कोई सी भी वैल्यू ले लें यहाँ पे x की, वॉट एवर वैल्यू वी टेक हेयर ऑफ x, दिस फंक्शन विल ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0, राइट? सो सिंपली रेंज विल ऑलवेज बी इक्वल टू 0 और ग्रेटर देन इट. सो 0 अप टू इन्फिनिटी, चाहे कोई सी वैल्यू ले लो, यहाँ पे x की वैल्यूज 1 से बड़ी होगी हमेशा, 1 या 1 के से बड़ी, तो उससे 1 या 1 से बड़ी कोई सी वैल्यू लेंगे तो ये फंक्शन हमेशा क्या होगा, या तो 0 होगा या पॉजिटिव होगा. नेगेटिव तो हो ही नहीं सकता ना ये, क्योंकि रूट लगा हुआ है. रूट कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव, रूट वैल्यूज कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. रूट -5.5 डिफाइन नहीं होता, ना ही रूट में कभी भी नेगेटिव आंसर आता है. सो दिस विल ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव. सो रेंज विल बी 0 टू इन्फिनिटी एंड डोमेन विल बी 1 टू इन्फिनिटी. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. Now in this function we have to find out domain and range. So domain वही, अब this value x minus 1, अब ये मॉड्यूलस के अंदर है x minus 1, right? So x की क्या क्या वैल्यू हम ले सकते हैं, तो x की हम कुछ भी वैल्यूज ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमेशा ये फंक्शन क्या होगा, डिफाइंड रहेगा. x की वैल्यू आप -1 ले लो, -3 ले लो, 3 ले लो, 5 ले लो, 7 ले लो. So we can take any value of x. So domain will be what? Domain will be r, right? डोमेन ऑफ दिस फंक्शन इज r. कोई सी भी रियल नंबर्स में से कोई सी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं हम लोग. तो डोमेन विल बी r. सो रेंज अगर हम बात करें, सो रेंज, नाउ पुट एनी वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो दिस फंक्शन विल ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0. अगर हम 1 रखते हैं तो ये फंक्शन क्या होगा, 0 हो जाएगा, राइट? -1 रखते हैं तो put it as -1. So if x is equal to -1, so f of -1 will be equal to -1, which is -2, right? So which is equal to 2. Similarly, f of 1 will be equal to 1 minus 1, right? Which is equal to 0. So कुछ भी वैल्यू रखो, x की नेगेटिव रखो, पॉजिटिव रखो, 0 रखो, this function will always be greater than or equal to 0, right? This function will always be non-negative value. So range will always be 0 or infinity, right? 0 to infinity. So this will be the range and this will be the domain. ये तो हमने रफ पोर्शन में करके बताया, आप खुद ट्राई कर सकते हैं. You can also try, put x, any value of x, this will always be a non-negative value, right? So this is our answer of 5th question. Now this is a function given to us, we have to find out range for it, right? So put x value as 0 first. So 0, if we put f as 0, so this will be equal to, if we put x as 0, so 0 upon 1 plus 0 is 0 upon 1, which is 0, right? So first value is this. If we put x as 0.5, so 0.5 square is 0.25 upon 0.25 plus 1, 1.25. So this will be 1 upon 5. So 0.5 comma 1 by 5. Similarly, put as x is equal to 1.5. So this will be 1.5 comma. If we put 1.5 here, this will be 9 upon 13. So if we put any value of x, then this y value will always be lesser than equal to 1, because denominator is always greater than numerator. So कोई सी भी वैल्यू ले लो x की, ये वाले फंक्शन हमेशा क्या होगा, 1 से छोटा होगा, राइट? सो रेंज जो हो रही है वो हमेशा 0 और 1 के बीच में आ रही है. तो रेंज विल बी इक्वल टू ईदर 0 और 1, राइट? 1 भी नहीं हो पा रही क्योंकि इक्वल कभी हो ही नहीं रही, डिनोमिनेटर हमेशा बड़ा है, तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया, ओपन ब्रैकेट्स यूज किया. So this is our 6th question. Now we have f of x is equal to x plus 1, g of x is equal to 2x minus 3. So we need to find out f plus g, f minus g and f upon g. So f of x plus g of x is x plus 1 plus 2x minus 3. So this will be 3x minus 2, right? Simple. F minus g is x minus x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3. So this will be minus of x plus 2, or we can say this is 2 minus fx, this will be 4 minus plus 3 plus 1. So or we can say this is 4 minus x, right? Simple. So 4 minus x, and this is, we have 3x minus 2. Let's find out f upon g. So f of x upon g of x is x plus 1 upon 2x minus 3. Now denominator cannot be 0, right? Denominator cannot be 0, yes. So if denominator cannot be 0, so condition we can write here. So this implies 2x can never be equal to 3, or we can say x can never be equal to 3 upon 2. So x plus 1 upon 2x minus 3, x plus 1 upon 2x minus 3. So final f upon g can be written as x plus 1 upon 2x minus 3, where x cannot be equal to 3 upon 2. तो x की वैल्यू 3 upon 2 नहीं हो सकती, बाकी कुछ भी हो सकती है. तो these are the answers, this one and this one. Simple addition and subtraction we did. So this value is defined at all possible values of x, this value is defined at all possible values of x. This value is also defined at all possible values of x except x is equal to 3 upon 2. So this is our 7th question. In the next video, we'll discuss the further questions. Just be in touch. Hope to see you there. Bye bye. Take care.